control the different components of our robot, such as the motors, sensors, and our controller, we need to create versions of those components in our code. So for a 6-motor tank style drivetrain, we need to create 6 motors and a controller in our code. So I'll begin by creating a controller. So I'll type controller and the name of our controller, which mine is going to be controller 1 equals controller parentheses. And inside the parentheses, we need to specify whether it's a primary or part controller. In our case, it's going to be a primary controller, so we type controller type colon primary. And then we end each line with a semicolon. So then to create a motor, you type motor, and then the name of your motor, which in this case, I'm going to start by creating the left front motor equals motor parentheses, and then inside the parentheses is the port that your motor is connected to.
Figure out the port for your motors. In my case, I'm looking for the left motor port. So this is my left front motor. Follow the wire down to the brain, and it takes me to port 18. So
So inside my parentheses, I'm going to put port 18 into the semicolon. So I just created the left front motor in my code, and now I need to create the other 5 motors. So I'll just So I'm going to rename these, of course. Back and right side motors, right front, right middle, so of course these are not all plugged into port 18, so we need to change the port numbers. So my middle motor is connected to port 19, my back motor on the left side is connected to port 20, and my right front motor is connected to port 13. My middle motor is connected to port 14, and then my back one is connected to port 15. So these ports are specific to my robot. Your robot likely has different ports. So just don't copy what I typed in, just put the relevant ports that correspond to the correct motors on your robot.